In this video, we are going to review Cursor versus Windsurf, which is the best. So let's get started. Now, starting with Cursor, it's an AI first code editor based on VS Code. It's fast, intuitive, and comes with built-in AI pair programming, and you can literally edit code through chat. Get explanations, refactors, and bug fixes inside the editor. It's great for solo developers, startups, or anyone who wants speed and clarity while coding. Now, let's go ahead to Windsurf. On the other hand, it's more like a co-pilot for full software teams. It helps you understand large code bases, generate tests, track tasks from PRs, and stay in sync with your teammates. It's smart, especially for legacy code and bigger projects. So which one the best? Cursor wins for solo productivity and simplicity, and Windsurf shines for team collaboration and large-scale development environments. So try both and see which one fits your workflow best.